Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings in the market, the premier protein shake in Café Latte flavor. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a nutritious boost, this might be the perfect fit for you. Let's kick things off with an overview. The Premier Protein Shake boasts 30 grams of protein, essential for muscle recovery and daily energy. It's packed with 24 vitamins and minerals, designed not just to satisfy your taste buds but also to support your overall health. What sets this shake apart? First, it's low in sugar, containing just 1 gram per serving. For those watching their sugar intake, this is a significant plus. It's also gluten-free, catering to dietary restrictions without compromising on flavor or nutrition. Let's talk about the nutritional benefits. Each shake provides a balanced blend of nutrients, including vitamins like vitamin D and minerals such as calcium. These are crucial for maintaining strong bones and supporting immune health, making it more than just a protein supplement. Now, onto the taste test. The Café Latte flavor offers a smooth, coffee-infused taste that's both refreshing and indulgent. It's not overly sweet, which allows the coffee notes to shine through, making it a great pick-me-up any time of day. One of the best things about these shakes is their convenience. They come in a handy 11.5 fluid ounce size, perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or simply out and about, it's easy to grab one and get a nutritious boost. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a reliable protein shake that not only delivers on taste but also packs a nutritional punch, the Premier Protein Shake in Café Latte flavor is definitely worth considering. Its blend of protein, vitamins, and great taste make it a top choice. That's it for today's review. If you've tried this shake or have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this. Until next time on Product Critique, stay healthy and informed.